It's good, Gmail Nation. So today we're at to Daily Direction Roombadoomba. Roomba. Alright guys, so I can't wait to see this. Here we go. Retro. Everything trippy. Got red hair though. Sorry. Okay. Next though. Okay. What the heck? Everyone is falling. Sunday. Oh, be careful. The fight. What in the world? Why am I enjoying this so much? Oh, this is very trippy. Look, the big bird. Alright. The vibe of this though. Alright. This is unique. Aren't you tired of morning 24/7? Yeah, like super exhausted. I told you how to do. Why don't you have him to your job instead? I mean, he's basically your twin. Wouldn't that cause problems? A little chill, dude. Okay. That close up though. Alright guys, direction to Daily Direction. Alright guys, so what do you guys think about this? Was it good? Yeah, this is very unique. Yeah, so I had not heard about this group before. Alright guys, so yeah. It's very catchy. The vibe of it is pretty cool. The Afrobeat still, it's pretty catchy. Alright guys, if you guys are interested, subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next week.